Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through creating a custom Discord bot from scratch. First, go to the Discord developer portal and log in with your account. Click New Application, give it a name, and create it. Next, go to the Bot tab and click Add Bot, then Confirm. Copy the bot token. This is important for connecting your code. Now open your code editor and use a programming language like JavaScript with Discord.js or Python with Discord.py. Write the basic code to log your bot in using the token. You can also add simple commands like responding to messages. Once your code is ready, run it locally to test the bot. Finally, generate an invite link from the developer portal, select your server, and authorize the bot. Your custom bot is now live and ready to interact with your server exactly how you programmed it. Subscribe the channel for more videos.